Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is going to be kind of different. It is an unboxing. It's an influencer unboxing. It's the Kiss Cosmetics unboxing. If I'm not mistaken, I will have the proper name of the box or the campaign in the title and in the description. But this is the box right here. This is the inside of the box. So as you can see, it comes with lashes and nails. I'm going to show you everything. It's only technically it's 6 different things. Yeah, this is it. Kiss right here. It's no other special cards or anything in this box. So first things first, I guess I just start with the lashes, huh? So these are the Lash Drip Spicy and Boosted Volume Kiss. They're both new. 3D drama with a wet effect. So this is the drenched kind. And then this is You Do You. So I'm going to put one of these 2 pairs on and I'll probably like insert some pictures or a quick clip at the end of this video. This is the Strip Lash Adhesive. It's latex free. Happy I have this because I have no other lash glue. If they send me those lashes, I would have no lash glue if they didn't give it to me. So thank you, Kiss and Influenster. And these are super cute. So I'm going to start with the least dramatic to the most dramatic nails. So these are the Kiss Bare But Butter True Nude Nail Shades in this short. I think that's the kind, bare but better, and that's how they look. I have better pictures of all of this on my Instagram. If you go look on my page, you will see like a picture of the whole box. But yeah, that's those. And then these are long, like the length is long. And this is the Velour Fantasy Magnetic Powder Effect. These are my favorite ones. These are the ones that I want to put on sometime today, maybe, if I have time. And lastly, this is the extra long Kiss Premium Classy Nails, and that's what they look like. These are super cute. These I'll probably wear on my birthday. I don't think I'm doing nothing on my birthday, but wearing cute nails will still make me feel cute. Now, I do not know if I like my makeup look the way it is, so I don't think I'm going to put on no lashes today. I don't know. I probably will the next time I do my makeup, but either way, I am very grateful for this box. These again are my favorite nails. I tried them on already and these are literally my favorite. I like the length, I like the color, I like the way they look on my hands. So whenever I upload this video, if I have tried either the lashes or the nails on, I'll insert pictures at the end. If I didn't, then you know, you'll know that too. So but yeah, that's basically it. So I do want to say before I end this video, although the campaign for this box has been passed, I'm just not filming this, I did receive these products free to review from Influencer and Kiss Cosmetics, so that's what they're called. I haven't the faintest idea what they're called, but yeah. And these nails have a 7-day wear, by the way. You can wear them up to 7 days, so they say, with their glue. I got these free to try and review. I tried all the nails, I just haven't did the lashes, and I already reviewed them, and I have a little picture post of them on Instagram again if you're interested in checking it out. So yeah, click my link down below for Instagram. Influencer is an app, so if you're all interested in that, just Google them, check them out. I have many other unboxing videos on my channel of Influencer boxes, and I go into further detail on them in those videos. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big old thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.